So, bushcraft skills, eh? This is not a bushcraft skill, this is not a survival hack, this is a kitchen counter hack for when your tea strainer is in the washing machine. He toothpicked the wrong hack for this reel. He's not only straining that tea, he's also straining my patience. And the only thing weaker than his tea is calling that a bushcraft skill. Are these jokes any good? Well, not really. But it's a hell of a lot better than this arts and crafts, 5-minute life hacks, eye-roll inducing cocoa melon bushcraft bullshit. See you in the next one.